Accepting for a moment that you're looking for the Litecoin LTC worth assumption, or finding the capacity of the LTC coin this long worth check, can be helpful for you. Our Litecoin cost guess relies upon a significant particular examination. And the past show of LTC coin. Here we will endeavor to look at the ability of Litecoin. Eventually Litecoin LTC was made to give speedy, secure and negligible cost portions. Litecoin token relies upon the Bitcoin BTC show. Regardless, Litecoin differs to the extent that the hashing computation and blocks trade times. Litecoin gains some block experiences of basically 25 minutes and unbelievably low trade charges, making it sensible for smaller than expected trades and retail store portions. The certifiable use occurrences of the Litecoin project make LTC coin a promising endeavor eventually after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Litecoin is seen as the third most renowned advanced cash project as we found. Through CoinMarketCap, Litecoin has a limited representative supply of 84 million LTC tokens with a limited representative stock and a positive response from the monetary patrons. Litecoin looks strong. Since its beginning date, Litecoin has shown expansive improvement in the crypto market. Litecoin has given an unprecedented reappearance of its fundamental monetary benefactors in 2021. Litecoin costs empowered to an unparalleled high of 41,296 in May 2021. Starting then and into the foreseeable future, Litecoin has been showing a negative display, as we saw that the introduction of Litecoin furthermore depends upon the worth direct of Bitcoin. As per our assessment, the expenses of Litecoin will continue to fill in the accompanying 10 years. Regardless, it doesn't look that Litecoin will outflank the 1,000 mark before this long time's finished, as all cryptos are showing negative advancement in 2022. Litecoin's show is moreover looking drowsy. There are strong possibilities that the accompanying Litecoin bull run can make another ETH level in 2022. Litecoin LTC worth assumption 2022. As all cryptos are down in 2022, Litecoin's show is in like manner, showing slow turn of events. There are strong possibilities that Litecoin can get again its circumstance. Such a long trip close by Litecoin. Various cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year in 2050. The best expense of Litecoin should trade at around 384,212. If more monetary supporters are attracted to in between these years, the expenses of Litecoin can be significantly higher in 2050. Then our quote is Litecoin an insightful theory. As per late year's display examination, we found that Litecoin is showing slow turn of events. Regardless, Litecoin is one of the speediest, creating blockchain projects that have authentic use cases. Likewise, cryptos with veritable use cases can significant solid areas for B nature. As per our expense assessment, the really long interest in Litecoin has every one of the reserves of being a nice decision to consider. Regardless of the way that the Litecoin costs have all the earmarks of being bullish, Litecoin and other cryptos are erratic and can adjust their expense direction at whatever point. If you are a splendid monetary sponsor and like to make perilous endeavors, Litecoin can be a phenomenal choice. Cryptos are today the most helpful assets, as well as the most unsecure as well. Along these lines, before chasing after any endeavor decision, do your fitting bet the board. Will Litecoin reach 1,000? As Litecoin is creating, various crypto dealers are intrigued to know whether or not Litecoin can make some waves in and out of town cap. As per our excessively long Litecoin figure, it can hit actually 1,000 cap in 2030. Litecoin is an unprecedented electronic asset with a certifiable use case. Additionally, in the crypto market, anything is possible. As we have found in the past, an exceptional bull run or bear rally can whip every one of the expense assumptions. Like a blaze, accepting more monetary sponsor are attracted to the Litecoin project, the expense of Litecoin can skyrocket and it could hit its 1,000 center before our Litecoin assumption. A couple of new postings on premium exchanges may moreover fabricate the value of Litecoin. Is Litecoin a siphon and dump? Litecoin as often as possible siphons and a comparative dump anyway. It's normal in the crypto market due to silly shaky approach to acting various sellers use to see whether Litecoin is consistent or just a siphon and dump project. As we inspected the past execution of Litecoin, a promising endeavor fights with top cryptos. Litecoin has the assistance of the blockchain neighborhood, makes Litecoin a solid undertaking. as we have seen on the various crypto get-togethers. Litecoin is keeping watch to the extent that this would be possible, due to crafted by the crypto neighborhood, can be consistent in approaching years. Regardless, we need to remain by a couple of extra months to conclusively predict the destiny of Litecoin. More, how to place assets into Litecoin. As an emerging Web3 and metaverse coin, you shouldn't defy inconvenience to find Litecoin. There are various crypto trading stages that have been actually recorded Litecoin for public trading. If you wish to buy Litecoin, the top crypto exchanges are at present Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Huobi, FTX, Robinhood, Gemini, Kraken, Bittrex, Bitfinex, Wazirx. By joining on such stages, you can without a doubt add Litecoin to your crypto portfolio. Beside Litecoin LTC worth gauge, we should propose our perusers direct the best possible assessment, preceding making any hypothesis. Litecoin looks strong, with limited representative reserve and neighborhood, yet cryptos are an entirely shaky asset. Cryptos change their costs like a thrilling ride, and they can rise or fall instantly. A bed examination is central before Litecoin or some other crypto adventure. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a cryptographic cash like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Litecoin is the third most renowned and trustable crypto project in the market, after BTC and ETH. The Litecoin project is changing decentralized finance, which makes the Litecoin project accommodating in the blockchain region. Does Litecoin have a future? Litecoin is a spread-out project keeping watch. Not long after 2 or 3 extended lengths of ship-off, Litecoin has procured the gigantic thought of the crypto neighborhood, is presently recorded on premium exchanges like Robinhood and Coinbase. Litecoin has point of fact, a mind-boggling future that has the sponsorship of real use cases. Might Litecoin anytime at any point overpower Bitcoin? Litecoin is for certain notable among crypto facilitates, yet it will be a misguided knowledge that Litecoin or some other crypto can outperform Bitcoin. Expecting you will check the market data, you can without a doubt get the result that the Bitcoin market regard is far higher than Litecoin, so such assumptions have no base essentially till date. Might Litecoin anytime at any point make you rich? Various crypto experts have suggested that Litecoin's worth will continue to develop. Litecoin has a biggest